Okay, so welcome back. Now, in the last video, I showed how we could add the cosine functions to get a formula that goes from a product to a sum that involves both a product of sine and cosine that gives us a sum involving only sine or cosine. But now what we're going to do is we want a formula that involves just products of sine, okay? And going from that product to a sum, or that involves, not a sum, but that involves just a product of sine, okay? So in order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to take the difference of the cosine. So I'm going to write the cosine, and this time I'm going to start with cosine alpha minus beta, and that's equal to, again, it's going to be cosine alpha cosine beta plus sine alpha sine beta, and then we have cosine alpha plus beta is equal to cosine alpha cosine beta minus sine alpha sine beta. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract those. And what I'm going to get is I'm going to get cosine of alpha minus beta minus cosine of alpha plus beta. And again, notice how these are going to cancel each other out, and I'm going to now get something. Oh, I'm sorry, hold on. Got to subtract the whole thing. Almost made a simple mistake. So again, I'm subtracting the whole thing. So this is going to be this, but this is going to be subtracting all of this, which means this is going to go positive, this is going to go negative. So if I distribute the negative, this is going to be negative, this is going to be negative, and that's going to be positive. Okay, almost made a classic mistake. So now this is going to drop out, and this is going to be 2 times sine alpha sine beta. And now I have a product of sines that gives me a difference. Okay, again, no products here. So now let's do an example of how this works. Do they give an example? Let's see here. Okay, so it says write cosine 3. Well, this doesn't use this particular example. Do they have another one? No, they don't. Okay, but again, it works the same way as the other ones do as well. So if you have in other words, if you're given a product of sines, you can use this formula to rewrite it as a difference. Okay. Okay, we'll come back and we'll do more examples.